Good morning, class. I am your ICT teacher for today. How are you, class? That's good to hear. I guess you're all ready to learn something new for today. But before anything else, I can see under your chair a lot of Tarasha's papers. Can you please pick up pieces? Thank you. So, before anything else, let's have our opening prayer first.
One day, Jesus was praying in a certain place. When he finished, one of his followers said to him,
Lord, teach us to pray.
and Jesus said,
When you pray, say,
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Our dear Father, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Our dear Father,
Okay, please remain standing for our energizer. Who among you here can dance? Can you dance with me? Please remain stand up for our energizer.
Basta nagbisares, idol. Fly high, butterfly. 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 Paru-paru-chi, paru-paru-chi. 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 Paru-paru-chi, paru-paru-chi.
Dance with me, guys.
Paru-paru-chi, paru-paru-chi. Fly high, butterfly. Fly high, butterfly.
kuya, gipalimot ba ang tanan? Okay? Fix yourself first. I'll give you 2 minutes to fix it. Paway sa ka dyan, guys. So, for your attendance, kindly say present if your name is called. I think anyone can have your seats. Very good. So, let me check first your attendance. Say present if your name is called. Dungkay Romel, present. Jimena RJ, present. Hilardino Yolando, present. Hanyola Jercel, present. Mary Ibalik, present. Wow, very good. No one is absent today. Let's give 5 claps of yourselves. Alright, as we start for our new discussion for today, can anyone here can tell what was what we discussed last meeting? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Ramel. Good. Technology. How about you, Mr. Jimena? Computer system. Great. How about you, Miss Mary? About computer? I need one. Who among you here? Okay. Okay. Basic parts of the computer. Right, very good. So our topic for today is all about the basic part of the computer. But before anything else, I have some pictures to show you here on screen, and guess that pictures for what would be our topic next meeting. Alright? Can you analyze what these pictures? Alright, so our topic for today is all about the basic parts of the computer. So, let me define first what is computer. Computer is digital electronic machines that can be programmed to carry out sequences or arithmetic or logical operation automatically. And according to Merriam-Webster, an electronic device, computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. So first slide, what can you see in the pictures? As you can see, this is a CRT monitor or LED or LCD screen. So a computer monitor is an output device that displays information in pictorial or text form. A monitor usually comprises the visual display, circuitry, casing, and power supply. So there will be two kinds of monitor. We have, this is the old one. Diba, kabantay mo sa una, diba, ang monitor ng version TV, napamay sa iyong balay. So who among you here have a monitor or a computer at your home? Kamu na gadgets? Okay, namo. So this CRT monitor, kato ni siyang karaan sa una, diba? As you can see, na siya yung speaker pag na siya diri. Unless sa atong LED nga katong modern naman because we are uplifting the new technology. So we use the LED because we are now in a modernized world. We are now in facing the real technologies all over the world. So high-tech na taron. So we're gonna be use a LCD screen. So some monitor maybe even have built-in or speakers. So as what I have said a while ago. And much like television, very good version of television, that means the CRT monitor, this one. And then the older design and computer monitors run off a technology called the cathode ray tube. So cathode ray, for the information of everybody class, the CRT or a cathode ray tube, it is the vacuum that produces images, phosphorescent surface, like some, if maplinan mo ang monitor, there will be a tendency ma-blurred siya when you have your presentation, images, slideshow, video, and whatsoever. O naano siya tendency ma-blurred siya, muna ito o CRT tube nga imo siyang ibalik sa normal. So that what we call the CRT or the cathode ray tube. Understood, class? Alright, very good. Let's move for the next slide. So this is very familiar. So we have a computer keyboard. So this is keyboard. Kisay nakahikap na tanan o keyboard diri. I think we're all nakahikap na, di ba? From the beginning, when you're having your senior high school or secondary, we can be use the keyboard in order to input some text or can be some atong panagkod-kod para sa magamatag mga files or document or whatsoever or kung sa atong plano. So this part of the computer, the computer, this is one of the basic part. So here is an input devices. So atong input used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. It is the primary device used to enter text very quick. Muna siya primary device na magamit nato sa parts sa computer. And also, keyboard typically contains keys for individual letters. So ang keyboard na yung tagsa-tagsang letter, nasa tagsa-tagsang part nga, nasa different, nasa individual letter. Alright? Imo sa like we could call it is A, B, C, D, and numbers, right? So according here, numbers, right, and special characters. Na yung mga special characters. You know what is the special characters of the keyboard? They're gonna be used mga dot-dotted nga very unfamiliar na itong mga gamit kaya there will be a tendency where we're going to input some text or we're having to file na yung mga special characters nga makayung muli yung function saan nato ni siya saan na siya diri mo ganun na di ba na mga bulit-bulit ay mga churba and then as well as the keys for specific functions. Di ba ang keyboard gamit kay ang keyboard when we're having our files document putting something, right? I think we're gonna be next slide. Can you please read Mr. RJ Jimena? Alright, so a system unit, di ba ka yung system unit, makayung buta sa atong previous na itong school, that this is a CPU, but no. I tell you class, the CPU and the system unit are different. You know what is the difference without that? The system unit is the powerhouse of all. The monitor is inside in the system unit. So, kisay nakamuna din nga kanin siya CPU. Ikaw sa una, patkaron di siya muna siya gitaw na to system unit. So as what RG read the system unit, the functions of this is the part of the computer that houses the primary devices that perform operations and produce result for complex calculations. So ang system unit, grabe kay na siya mo compute unsay imong gipanag-document inside the monitor. It includes the motherboard. So, ang sulod ani sa system unit, include ang motherboard. Naadri ang motherboard sa sulod. The CPU, that's what I told you earlier. Ang CPU, this is not CPU na sa sulod ang CPU or control processing unit. The RAM, of course, and the other component as well as the case in which these devices are housed. So, naka-house na siya. So, katong yung mga bugna sa una mga kaninshi gitaw ni CPU, that is no. That's what we call the system unit. And another system unit is cases are typically made of steel or aluminum. But plastics can also be used. But, dilahi na kayo plastic mo magamit yung word malanay. Dapat yung mga aluminum or steel. And while most computer cases are rather tall, block, or metal boxes. Alright? Are you okay, class? Very good. Please listen carefully. So next slide, a computer speaker. So, computer speaker no, ano nga mo siya computer? Kay naay ubang computer nga dili siya pwede nato isukso ka ordinary na speaker magpa-music ka magpa-audio ka sumba sa inyo. Naay uban niya speaker dili mo function. Na siya like yan speaker is mo function sa computer good, di ba? Naay uban nga speaker, di ba? Dili mo siya mo work as team together. Dapat na siya specific brand. Alright, so computer speaker is an output hardware. Ano siya gitawag output? Of course, wala siya nasulod sa ato ang computer sa sulod sa monitor, wala siya na siya sa gawas. Ato siyang i-input pasulod. Pero of course, speaker is the hardware. Output na siya. So device that connects to a computer to generate sound. Of course, say, what do you think about speaker? Dili amang speaker unless dili siya mag-work. Diba? So, ang speaker is we can hear the sounds, the noises, and the whatsoever. Alright, so the signal used to produce the sounds, right, that comes from a computer's speaker is created by a computer sound card. Of course, gi-input siya nimong pasulod sa monitor or sa imong system unit or asa siya nimong gibutang. Of course, mo sounds card siya kay gi-process siya. Alright? Nay nalibog. Okay, speaker sa inyo ha. Karaan man to, pero function. Yes, mo function yapon sa bala o karaan. Basta quality ra ang imuhang speaker. Alas kinamong uban nga speaker katong sa una pang panahon nga mugana ra ang tawag siya. Di ba? So, kana mamalit mo sa inyong sa shop ng katong malukalukan. 1 week na ako to or 1 month. Pero I prefer you to buy in the branded or in a branded shop. Kaya para mo last long po siya in one guy. Okay? For the next slide, we have mouse. Kinsay, dili siya balagto ka nga mouse. There will be 2 kinds of mouse, the wireless and the non-wireless. So, I have here there is the wireless. Ano siyang wireless? Wala siya wire, of course. So this is the example of wireless. So this is what I'm going to use right now. So this is the wire. We have wire we can to input in your laptop or in your computer. So can you please read Miss Anyola, computer mouse? Okay, thank you. Please sit down. So a computer mouse is an handheld point device that detects 2-dimensional motion relative surface. Ngano siyang handheld. Kaya ano, when you touch this mouse, move po siya. Kaya naano siya cursor or kaning roll dire, kaning siya roll, muna siya when ma-handheld na siya, move po siya. So, kaning like night araw makita niyo dire sa yung screen, muna siya dito upuan kana. Muna siya mo-detect 2-dimensional motion relative surface, pointing device siya. So, this motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface of a computer. So, if kisay dili magamit rig housing laptop or unamoy or usay much mo prefer mo if in the absence of like wireless ka, mahutan kag battery, so ako siya i-emphasize ito na ko ang battery o kung dili na siya mo function. So what we did is you have this is screen sa yung laptop. What do you call this one? This is the tripod, touchpad rather. So pwede nyo magamit yung touchpad if wala mo yung mouse or na yung technical error ang inyong mouse. So of course, kung browse po, dili po na mo function inyong mouse kaya naka-unplug man po na inyong computer sa inyong naka-unplug mo po ang computer sa inyong monitor or sa inyong kuryente. Alright, so this is very important. The mouse is one of the importance of the functions part of the computer. Alright, so next slide, can you please read Mark? Please stand up. At the back, please quiet. Web cameras, yes dear. Okay, thank you. Please take your seat. So web cameras are used to take photos and videos. Most modern laptops, tablets, and smartphones comes with a built-in camera. So one of my web cameras, in order for us to the pictures or the video clear when you're having your Skype, when you're having your Google Meet, if inyong monitor or laptop, yung camera kay blur siya, dili siya kasaligan, like mataan yung blur siya, pwede mo gamit mo og web cameras. The importance of web cameras is to lighten your face, yung klaro siya, clear and softly. So this is the gigamit sa uban, muna siya gigamit sa uban nga kanang web cameras kay para po if dili sa ma-disturb kay namo there will be a tendency when your laptops or monitor or computer at your home that the camera was not function, pwede mo palit ani sa Shopee. This is very affordable class. Alright, so another function of this is it is the widely used for Skype as what I have talked or mentioned a while ago. The web cameras is widely used for Skype and other video calling software as well as the continuously monitor and activity and send to a web server for public or private viewing. Alright, so next slide. Microphone. This microphone is not an ordinary microphone that you can sing with in the stage. Like gamiton nimo mag-hosting kag pageant, mag-hosting kag birthday and everything. Dili po ni siya magamit. I tell you class, this microphone is intended only for the computer. As you can see the pictures, nara siya brands in laptop. Ako ra po na siya ipasok diri parang words lang duha. Work a team. So, di ba? So, microphone allows us to record sounds, of course, microphone. Sa computer niya, again, most modern laptops, tablets, and smartphones already have one of this built-in. So, naka-built-in siya sa tuang laptop or computer. So, it is just a matter of quality. So, that some people prefer to buy higher-end microphones for recording studio quality sound. So delete this yung matter. It is just a matter of quality. Matter jo ang quality sa imong mga microphone. When you were having a video conference, gamit kayo microphone para delete kayo. Kuan ka nang para lamig kayo ang outcome sa iyong voice when you having your meeting with in your business or sa inyong kuan gamit dun sa microphone. So paalala class. This is not a microphone, ordinary microphone nga pwede nyo gamitin sa mag-host mo birthday. There are different microphones, but we talk about the computer microphone. Alright, so I think everyone here got nalipay na po mo when I have a discussion. Okay na bang tanan diya? Very good. Last but not the least, projector. So, isa yun na nakakita projector sa inyong balay or sa inyong silingan or na may phone projector. Do you have class? Yes, Romel? Imo auntie. Imong gibagamit sa imong paggamit sa imong auntie. Okay, very good. How among you here have? Yes. Okay, wala. Okay, projector. Kaya sa projector, mura mo tanong, mura siya katubitaw. Mo siya bag, mura mo siya bako. Or dili na siya. This is a projector class. So projector is an output. Yan siya bitawag output device. Output device kaya i-inject man natin siya para function. So device that takes images generated by a computer or a Blu-ray player and reproduce them by projections onto a screen or wall or another surface. In most cases, the surface projected onto is large, flat, and lightly colored. Of course, so this is a projector. This is very important when you're having your viewing, number tributes in your family, when you have demonstrations. So this is very important part of the computer. And otherwise, in addition, projector is you could use a projector to show a presentation, in a large presentation of a large screen that everyone in the room can see it in the projector. Alright, so you can see still can produce which is either still slides or moving images or videos. Alright, I think that would be our discussion. So let's move. So are you okay, guys? I think napati oras, no? So for the next portion of our class, we have the guess who am I. So guess the pictures as what we discussed. So what is this? Yes, Romel. Monitor, very good. Next. Hanyola yourself. System unit, very good. This one, this is very known. Cameras, web cameras, very good. This one, projector, very good. Give 5 claps of yourself. Okay, for your activity, I will be showing pictures of the part of the computer that we discussed a while ago. So now, you have to give the name of each part and identify and give its functions. Do you have any clarifications? None so far. Very good. Let us start. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer. Alright, for your generalization, before we start with your assessment, let us have a short review first. Who can summarize the different part of the computer? Yes, Mr. Jimena. Very good. Yes, you, Mr. Mark. Very good. How about you, Mr. Hilardino? Thank you, Mr. Hilardino. You're great. Very good. And who can give the last one? Very good. Very good, student. I believe that you have understood our discussions. So for your evaluations, I have here some quest activity in the screen. I'll be showing. So please get one half sheet of yellow paper. Directions. Select the letter of the correct answers. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. I'll give you 5 minutes to do that. Mind your own paper, guys. Alright, we start now. Number 3. 2 minutes left. Class, mind your own papers. Alright? Ball pens up. Ball pens up, class. Ball pens up. Okay? Please pass your paper in the center aisle and exchange in the opposite seats. Okay, for number one. For number one, do you have your papers now to be checked? Okay, very good. So, number one is the letter A, random teaching memory. And for number two, we have the letter A, random access memory. For number three is an input device that displays informations, pictorial or text form. Computer monitor. And for number four is an Halogen pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of the pointer on a display and allows smooth graphical user interface of a computer. What is the answer? Is letter A, mouse. Is a handheld. Okay, for number five, allows to use to record sound. Again, most modern laptops, tablets, and smartphones already have one of these built in. It is just a matter of quality that some people prefer to buy higher-end microphones for recording studio quality sounds. What is the answer? Okay, letter A, microphone. Okay, pass your paper. Who got the highest score? Wow, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 7, you get the perfect score. 5, very good. Who got 4? Very good. So all of you guys is very good learners. What I have discussed, you really show your ears to listen in my discussion. So I'm so happy to glad you to get that correct or the perfect score for this morning. So do you have any clarifications or questions regarding in our discussions or activity? Okay, none so far, very good. So for your assignment, I want you to research the following. Research the following for your assignment to be submitted next meeting or next meeting. So what is input and output in the computer? Please take note. Please get your notebook rather. Okay. Please research the following, the input and output of the computer. And for the next assignment is for number 2, differentiate between the software and hardware in the computer. Any additional, are you, okay, questions assignment? Okay, very good. So any additional questions or clarifications for the assignment? None so far? Very good. Okay, if you don't have any questions, class dismissed. Okay, bye.